Hey Glam Beauties, welcome back to my channel, Madam CJ Ma'am Glam. Well, this is officially my first post-surgery video that I have made. As you guys can tell, if you've been watching my videos, you see that I've been flooding you with a couple of videos, especially today. And that is because I have a Valentine's haul and it's a BBW haul, and I need to do the videos on that, and I don't need the videos that I had already had pre-scheduled to be conflicted with my new BBW videos. So that's why I've been giving you a lot of my pre-recorded videos. I had to kind of take them off of the schedule and put them for today and tomorrow so I can try to get the videos out. So as you can see, and the title of the video is unboxing my February Boxycharm. Now, I have not seen any videos on this here Boxycharm, but I sure hope and pray that it is better than last month. You know, being that this is a new decade, I just knew that January Boxycharm was just going to blow me away, and it really didn't. So without further ado, let's open up this here Boxycharm. Let's see. And I have not opened it. It's actually been sitting in my living room where my husband left it. Because I think I received an indication around 2 something this afternoon. And it's now 7:36. You know, so this is how it looks inside. Gorgeous red. I am pleased with that. And before we get started, the candle that I have burning now is Into the Night, and it is a fabulous, gorgeous candle. I just love the way this smells. The fragrance on it is divine. I love it. Now, the theme of this month is what? I just see Boxycharm. Adore. Is that adore? 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 I think that's it. Well, this is, I think it's Adore. That's what it has all over the little pamphlet. So let's see what we have in Boxycharm. Let me take out all of the products, and then we'll try to read it. I don't know what's going on with Boxycharm lately. Okay, the first one is Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrated Bio Mimicking Peptide Serum. So let's see. Let me find that. Okay, and this is how it looks. Let me open it up. Now, this is some good stuff right here. Let me see. And let's see. It says Kate specifically formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull, saggy skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin after just 1 week. 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tightened, and this manufactures for $98. Okay, sorry about that. We had my husband come in, and then I turned the light on to see it, to make sure I can see, but it's too much of a glare, so hey, I'm going to read this as best as I can. Now, the first one is Luxy, well, the next one is Luxy Beauty. It's a complete sponge set. This glare. Those are nice. Really nice. And let's see what it says. It says, this set of sponges provides a full array of application. Each sponge is built with different densities, water retention rates, and shapes. These sponges are the ideal complement to your brush set to obtain a perfect complexion and impeccable look. Y'all please forgive me because I'm trying to read this here. And hey, it is what it is. Now I am really shocked. These manufactured for 40 bucks. Wow. Really 40 bucks? Well, this is how they look. And the next one is Amika. Oh, my first Amika product. I see this at TJ Maxx and Marshalls all the time. And if I'm not mistaken, I used to see this at Ulta. Okay, this is Amika Supernova Moisture Shine Cream. Supernova Moisture Shine Cream. Hold on, cream is a weightless leave-in cream that provides superior hydration, detangling, and lightweight conditioning, leaving hair supernaturally soft and smooth with brilliant shine. And this here manufactures for 25 bucks. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this on my grandbaby's hair. Okay, beauties, we have Motor Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit, and this retails for $27.95. Motor takes motor to the next level. This line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye look. We can all appreciate some good brushes in our Boxycharm every now and then. And the next product is this Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. And this retails for 17 bucks at Glare. Okay, it says this 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, Energize and Rescue, will become your must-have beauty tonic and primer for your best and worst skin days. Packed with good for you. Okay, packed with good for you skin ingredients such as probiotics, aloe, caffeine, and coconut water. This primer helps smooth and soothe your skin. So this should come in real handy. So guys, this is going to conclude my unboxing for my February 2020 Boxycharm. And until next time, Glam Beauties, smooch ass. Bye-bye.